Morocco may not have won, but they still won. Almost the whole world doubted their abilities, but coming this far isn't the only thing that Morocco's achieved. Morocco's been able to teach the world 3 powerful messages we will never forget. First and foremost, they taught the world to thank Allah for every win and every blessing, to stay humble in victory and acknowledge Allah as the only reason for success. And after thanking Allah, they taught us to thank our parents, a message that has never been more needed in a world that is suffering from the breakdown of the family and where parents are left abandoned and neglected. And lastly, Morocco taught the world that the bond Muslims share is the most powerful uniting force on this planet. While this may have only been a football game, it was able to bring together Muslims from all around the world, not only from Morocco, but above all, Palestine. Thank you so much for all the lessons.